Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Got a new kit to look at. This is the AMT 1966 Olds 442 convertible, skill level 2. Here's this side. You can make it a convertible or a hardtop. It is dated $1999. Well, let's have a look. Here's our body. Already primered. No flash, really good shape. A little bit of flash right there at the bottom. There's that. Here's your reds. Here's your glass. I'm going to just keep them in the bag because I don't want it to get scratched or ruined. Here's your instructions. Sorry for the camera shake. Here's our tires, which look like they are no name. We get 4 of those. Here's our chrome tree, front and rear bumper, our rims. I don't know if I like either set of these. I might have to use my own rims. Our shifter, our review mirror, our air cleaner, which is really cool. And our decals, which you only get license plates. All right, here's our engine, our firewall. Here's our heads, our dashboard, radiator, water pump assembly, our fan. Pretty nice detail on there. And here's our exhaust, our rear differential, our dry shaft, our gearbox, or our steering box. Here's our frame. Here's our interior and the rest of our chassis. Hardly any flash at all. All right, here's our hood, our hard top, if we wanted to make it a hard top. Front suspension. Here's our convertible top, rest of our suspension, our steering wheel, rest of our exhaust, center console. Here's our springs. Here's our bucket seats. Rest of our suspension pieces, our wheel backs. It's kind of nice it has what looks like the brakes on the back. Here's our door panels. Here's our bench back seat. Pretty cool looking, pretty nice looking kit. For the year, I'm really impressed that there's barely any flash on anything, especially being an AMT kit. Like I said, I'm going to leave the glass in the bag. I don't want to get it marked up or anything, or lost. So yeah, the only flash I really see is just a little bit on there. Other than that, the body looks really good. This will be fun to bare metal foil. It looks like on the car, or on the box, the main box looks like this whole bottom here is chrome. Doesn't it look that way on the box right here? So I don't know. Maybe from here down is all chrome. But when you look at this version, it doesn't have that. So I don't know. Just that bottom under the doors and that looks chrome on this picture. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. Our look at the AMT Ertl 66 Olds 442. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe and have a great day. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.